Alright YouTube, we over here in Surprise, Arizona. We have this load of lumber right here. We're taking this to Texas. We didn't have to tarp this load, so we just got all the scraps on there. Let's go ahead and head out of here. We have to back out of here into this little alley right here. And we will go in here and get our paperwork and head on to Texas. Today is Friday. It's a 1,200 mile run. Paying pretty good. So one doggone thing. It's hot as crap over here. It is 9:40 in the morning. My dash saying it's 98 degrees. Thank God I didn't have to tarp this. Oh, almost past the building. Alright YouTube, we just went in there and got our paperwork. Got everything ready to go right here. We're gonna try to do like 625, 650 miles a day. Have a fresh clock. Have a full tank of DEF, full tank of diesel. Let's go ahead and get on out of here. Alright YouTube, we over here in Texas. We're about to deliver this load right here. We already done checked in. I took the scraps off of it already. So now we just have to see where they want me to pull the truck to.